I'll be going through the answers quickly, so make sure your course book is open in front of you, and please stop and rewind the video as you need to. So, got your book open in front of you? Are your answers in capitals? Want to know why the answers are the answers? Then let's go. Question number 1 is a great reminder to read the whole text before you attempt to answer the questions, because if you read through the whole text, you see clues which will give you the answer without even thinking, and this is a perfect example of that. You fight what? What type of word do we need here? Well, we know, because there are plenty of examples and they're all nouns. So here we need a noun as well. What's the noun that we need? Tiredness. Question number 2, before the gap we've got with, made with something. That's the first clue that we're going to need a noun. And after the gap we've got of, which is also an indicator that we need a noun of some kind. If we consider the context, it tells us that we're going to need a plural noun because we're talking about different types of combinations, which is why combinations is your answer. For question 3, if you read the question text, the one question that will be on your lips, I'm sure, will be, will increase how? If how is the question, we know that we're going to need an adverb. What's the adverb that we need? Noticeably. For question number 4, after the gap we've got a noun. Straight away that's an indicator that we need an adjective of some kind. And indeed if we read the sentence it's pretty clear that we do. Now, what kind of adjective do we want? Well, are toxins wanted? No, they're not, which means that we need the negative form of the adjective, which is unwanted. For question number 5, if you read through the text before you started the questions, straight away you would know what kind of word you need here, because there's an example given after the gap. In other words, we need a form of the verb. What form of the verb do we need here? Purifies. For question 6, once again, easy peasy. There's a list of verbs that tells you what the detox diet does to your body. In this case, it sharpens your mind. Question number 7, once again, there's just clues everywhere. You've got a verb-noun structure beforehand, you've got a verb-noun structure afterwards. Here we've got a verb, and what do we need here? We need a noun, of course we do. What is it? Immunity. And for question number 8, instead of giving us the noun, what we need here is the verb. The verb is memorize.